In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkmark symbol in Google Sheets. Adding checkmarks can enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your spreadsheets, helping you track tasks or note completed items effectively. Let's get started by opening up a Google Sheet. It doesn't have to be anything advanced. A blank sheet will work just fine. Just make sure you're logged in to your Google account so you can access your sheets. Once your Google Sheet is open, locate the cell where you want to insert the check mark. Think about where this might best serve your purpose. Perhaps it's part of a checklist, or you want to include it as an indicator of a task's completion. Simply click on the cell to highlight it, and you'll be ready to proceed. At this point, you have several options for checkmark styles. These options will give you a bit of creative freedom, while still achieving the functionality you need. A few variations on the checkmark symbol are available, and you can choose based on your personal preference for appearance or alignment with your document style. Let's start by bringing these symbols to life. In the cell you selected earlier, type the formula using the char function. For our first checkmark style, you'll type =sign followed by char, open parenthesis, 128504, and then close parenthesis. Hit enter and you should see the selected symbol appear. If you're curious about other variations, I've got more options for you. Move to another cell and type =sign, char, open parenthesis, 10003, close parenthesis. Once you hit enter, that'll give you another version of the checkmark. Continuing with our exploration of styles, you can try another character. In a new cell, once again, type =sign, char, open parenthesis, 10004, close parenthesis. Press enter, and like magic, yet another different checkmark style will appear. The variety doesn't end there. Let's attempt another option. In the next cell, type =sign, char, open parenthesis, 128505, close parenthesis, and press enter to showcase another unique variation of the checkmark. Finally, there's one more checkmark style to explore. In a subsequent cell, you'll type =sign, char, open parenthesis, 9745, close parenthesis. Hitting enter will complete your collection of checkmark symbols. And there you have it. Various styles of checkmarks now await your creative or organizational needs within Google Sheets. Whether you're managing tasks or setting up lists, these symbols can be incredibly useful. Remember, the checkmarks are also easily customizable by adjusting the font size or color to match your spreadsheet's theme. So don't hesitate to experiment until you find what suits your project best. Happy spreadsheeting, and thank you for watching.